what's up? It's me, Susiann Reynolds. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on that link or that thumbnail, the picture of my face, the words above it, beside it, below it. I don't know what you clicked on, you know what you clicked on, but whatever you clicked on, thanks for clicking on it. I'm so glad you are here.
I love it.
That was amazing. I watched the whole thing in the viewfinder. Before we get started, let's go ahead and get it over with. I want you to like and subscribe. Join this blessed family where we are too blessed to be stressed. Obviously, I have a nice little blonde brunette friend over to
whatever she is.
I was gonna say blonde, but you're
brunette.
So this is a collab with the Animation More. We are doing a get ready with me for New Year's Eve. Obviously, we both look sparkly and amazing. So it's a chit chat get ready with me. We basically just talk about just random things. We do like our favorite, like random favorites from 2017 or just in general. And it was a really good time. So we split this video in half. And so my half, you'll be seeing Animation do her face and me doing my eyes. And then if you want to see the other half, which you definitely should, then head on over to Animation More's channel where you will see my face makeup and her eye makeup. And all of it is just an amazing time. So I will leave her link down below. Go watch the video, subscribe. She's amazing. No, but this is literally this girl right here, one of my best friends. And so I'm actually in North Carolina visiting her, Florida girl over here. So this is awesome. Yeah, so without further ado,
let's
go ahead and get into it. I'm just trying to get my top 9 Instagram photos, y'all, and it's so difficult. I could have gone through them all and found them by this point. Anyways, welcome to my channel. So Animation's gonna do her face now.
Thank God. I know. Oh, I know.
I'm gonna do my eyes.
Oh yeah, I'm so excited to do my face makeup right now. This is awesome.
Oh, just because you're like, I look bad.
Yeah, just because like my face is breaking out.
I look bad.
And they're like, she looks bad, please put on face makeup.
Oh, skirt. Don't speak for them.
JK,
don't speak
I'm beautiful. Why'd you say that?
Self-love.
Crazy.
Ooh. So we're talking about favorite things of 2017 in general.
Oh, meeting you and the B team. I met y'all this year.
Yeah, that was probably like, 15 on my list.
Oh, funny.
Just kidding.
And we also went to freaking California, which is
that was great.
Insane.
We're gonna go back. We're gonna live there forever.
And Susie's gonna start a singing career. I'm going to too, so
it'll be great. Called Bittersweet 2.
Favorite YouTuber of the year. Honestly, I've been liking like the short, funny people.
Yeah.
Like, I just enjoy that so much.
Yeah.
And then David Dobrik is obviously.
He's funny. Liza Koshy.
Liza.
Hilarious. They're also very close to
And then
age,
Chris Clemens.
So that's fun.
And Christine. Inappropriate. All of them. All of the above.
Dolan twins are always going to be one of my faves because I'm going to marry them one day.
Top girl of 2017. Oh, I love Kinsey Elizabeth or Keaton.
Keaton Milburn is probably... Wait, Kristen Johns though. Keaton Milburn and Kristen Johns for me because I watch, if Kristen uploads a video, I always watch the whole thing. If Keaton uploads a video, I always try and watch the whole thing.
Have you started watching Kinsey Elizabeth? I just love like her style and like just really love all of her videos.
Yeah, I've been really watching a lot of singing people lately, so it's like a lot of Vivo accounts. Also this awesome YouTuber named Susiann Reynolds. She's really
cool. Yeah, I'm subscribed to her too.
Actually, this YouTuber, her name on YouTube is Beauty and Distress, but her name is Jaden Ashley. She's a year younger than us, but she's at 70,000, I think.
Oh,
and she's
awesome.
So funny. So I like watching her. She does like beauty, obviously Beauty and Distress. She cracks me up and she's really pretty, so that's good, it's fine. Ooh, did you watch any good like Netflix or Hulu series or anything this year? Riverdale's good.
Riverdale, This Is Us. I think my like obsession with Grey's was like last year because when I went into college, I definitely wanted to be a nurse.
It'll do that.
That is a no-no. Don't decide to be a nurse over Grey's Anatomy because I quit after my anatomy and physiology class. So
it is tempting.
Somehow passed bio online. It was awful.
Oh yeah, bless up.
Bless up, for real.
13 Reasons Why was that this year?
Oh, it was. I didn't like that.
What?
No.
Loved it. Amazing.
I thought the message was good and like all of that. I love Selena Gomez. I just thought it was like very dramatic. Like,
well, did you read the book?
No. Okay, well the book is always better than
No,
everything.
it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. I hate people like you. Literally, listen to me. I can't. I'm so sorry, but this is something.
Okay.
Everybody needs to hear this. Everybody needs to hear this.
I don't even read books like that, though.
Everybody needs to hear this. So.
I don't think I've ever read a book all the way through that I've watched the movie of.
All the way through.
Which is so sad. So, New Year's resolution, I say this while I'm baking my face. I'm gonna read a lot this year.
While I'm baking my face.
Yeah, I got through like Twilight, like maybe halfway through, and then I just didn't read it all.
Just the first one?
Yeah,
Guess how many times I read the Twilight series?
like 8.
Ooh, 1 off, girl.
9.
7. That was good.
Dang. Overachiever, not.
Guess how many times I read the Hunger Games series?
10.
No, it's less than Twilight.
5.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was gonna be my first guess, but then
Whee! Guess how many times I read The Fault in Our Stars?
12.
No, 3.
Come on.
Oh, goodness. Comment if you think I'm ridiculous and reread things too much.
Well, I think it's ridiculous when people watch like TV series like 5 times like in a row, you know what I mean?
Okay, yeah. So watching TV series like over and over and over, I couldn't do that. I can watch movies over and over and over.
Shout out if you want us to do a collab with us singing.
They didn't say anything.
I was just about to say that.
So it's a no from you guys, okay?
Holy crap, I was about to be like, all right, guess we don't want it.
It just really felt like there should have been some type of response there. Oh, comedy. If you could only pick 3 things
To live on an island with?
yes, what would you pick? It's not a dumb question. It's a good one.
That's like an icebreaker question.
Yeah, we're ice breaking with them. Let's say that you already have the necessities. So you have water and food and shelter.
Oh, okay. So I would definitely bring like someone to like keep me company.
Right, a person.
Yeah, don't know what person.
Okay, so like you're like, oh, I could like bring my best girlfriend, but it's like,
But also it's like, do you want like a romantic companion?
Yeah, because-
what if
because,
you're
like,
on like
you'll get
the island for like
ever.
Yeah.
For me,
Really agreeing.
I think I would have to pick Shawn Mendes.
Okay, you've never met him, so you don't know how he would be like on an island.
He would have no choice
No.
but to straighten himself out.
He would probably like pitch a fit and make you do all the hard work. I see it. Oh, I see it.
All right, then Grayson Dolan. I changed it. He wouldn't pitch a fit and make me do all the work. At least I know that.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
he's all muscly, and he would have to talk to me if it was only us. So Grayson Dolan, final pick. What about you? You don't know. Okay. Wait, I got so distracted. You'd bring a person, 2 other things.
Do I have like good food or just like the necessity food?
You just have the necessities, honey.
I might bring a chef. No. I'd probably bring like something that I could like do, you know what I mean? Like a hobby that I could like still work on, you know?
Dude, that would blow because I was about to say like bring a book, but like you can
would-
you can read the same book over every day. What are you reading? Oh, Huckleberry Finn again.
I've just, you know, realized so many different plot lines in this book.
That would suck so bad. Oh man. I bring me a Grayson Dolan. I bring a little portable movie player. Movies.
Yeah, where would your you could make your own movies. That would be fun. That would be fun.
And then watch your own.
You could get like the animals in on it, like train the monkeys to like do stuff, you know? I mean, look, like you're gonna be on there for a while.
I get so freaking bored, I would drown myself.
Yeah, I don't know what I would do. What time is it? How is it 10:30?
I don't know.
Can I just say that I'm so glad that I'm starting 2018 off with the Susiann Reynolds. It's gonna be such a good year.
Yay! Why are you doing this?
Me and my friends, we get turned up. We get turned up. We get turned up. Me and my friends. If you want to join Team 11, just let me know.
Funny.
She has got a lot of gloss on her lips and like my status if you think I'm cute. Like my status if you think I'm sexy.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that if you haven't watched Anna Mason's video yet, you go ahead and go over to her channel for the second half of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day and new year.
Woo!
Yeah!
2018.
Yeah, Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.